Eggs, Mother Nature's original superfood, have been a part of human meals since the dawn of time. However, we are only now learning about the full depth of their nutritional benefits and how effective they are in promoting long-term health benefits. Eggs are high in 13 vital vitamins and minerals, making them a crucial element of a balanced diet that will help you perform at your best every day. So, are eggs good for you? Yes. When it comes to meeting your daily nutritional needs, eggs are difficult to beat. Eggs are a high-quality protein source that also contains 13 vital vitamins and minerals, as well as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. The egg white comprises 60% of the high-quality protein in eggs, while the yolk includes the remainder, as well as crucial healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute significantly to your daily nutritional needs. In this video, we will discuss some of the proven primary health benefits of eating eggs. Nutritional rich superfood. Is there a single food with as many nutritional benefits as an egg? Nature's original superfood contains 13 distinct vitamins and nutrients per serving. One egg has only 74 calories, making it one of the healthiest things you can eat. It includes critical nutrients for children's proper growth and development, and they are one of the most nutritious food a woman can eat while pregnant. They are an ideal protein source since they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. Furthermore, they are a natural source of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, E, and B12, antioxidants, and choline. And to top it off, they're tasty. High in protein. Eggs are usually regarded a high-quality protein source. Proteins are the basic building blocks of life, required for muscle and tissue strength and repair. One egg contains around 6.3 grams of protein. The protein in eggs provides a significant advantage since they contain all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient levels to enable optimal muscle growth, recovery, and maintenance. While some other foods have a higher protein content than eggs, the exceptional quality and bioavailability of protein in eggs is truly unparalleled. Quality source of vitamin D. Egg yolks are one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D. And with nearly a quarter of all Australian people suffering from mild to moderate vitamin D deficiency, the case for eggs is much stronger. 2 eggs offer 82% of your daily vitamin D requirements, making them a crucial source of this vitamin. Vitamin D, sometimes known as the sunshine vitamin, aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, making it necessary for the maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also helps to promote healthy muscle function and immune system upkeep. Rich in choline. Choline is an important nutrient produced by the liver. However, because most people do not create enough choline to meet their daily requirements, it must also be obtained through the food they consume. Choline, like B vitamins, is necessary for optimal cell activity, playing an important role in brain and spinal cord development during pregnancy, cognitive development in infants, and preventing cognitive decline in the elderly. Until recently, the importance of choline as part of a healthy diet was largely disregarded. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, with more than double the amount per 100 gram than any other regularly consumed meal. This This makes eggs an extremely effective way to achieve your daily nutritional requirements. Excellent source of omega-3. Omega-3s are a family of essential fats that play a key role in the way your cell membranes work, ranging from heart and brain health to eye protection. And because your body creates a limited amount of omega-3s on its own, it's important to actively consume them through a variety of foods. Eggs are a wonderful and delicious source of omega-3 fatty acids with an average of 180 milligrams per serving, which equates to about 2 boiled eggs. Of this quantity, 114 milligrams is a long-chain omega-3 fatty acid, which accounts for 71 to 127% of the recommended requirement for adults. Oily fish is one of the most well-known sources of omega-3s. Nevertheless, for those who refuse or are unable to consume fish, eggs are an especially good source of those healthy fats. So there you have it. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods available, containing almost all of the vitamins and minerals your body needs. They're also inexpensive, delicious, and versatile. They truly are a superior superfood. And that is all for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and tune in for the next video.